Welcome back to Crypto Tax Club, where you win the tax game like the whales do. Solana is ready to break out, and I wanted to show you some indicators why I think so. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And remember guys, this is not financial advice. From a fundamental perspective, Solana is a great project. Solana is in a layer 1 blockchain protocol that's in the DeFi, dApps, and the NFT space. It's another ETH killer that has since flipped positions on market cap with Cardano and is closing in on Ethereum's position in terms of market cap. And while it has fallen 45% from the high, it still has the potential to break an all-time high later this year. I'm on the daily chart for Solana. Starting in September, it has been forming this pennant with the action price being compressed within this resistance and support line. And sooner or later, at the price getting closer to the apex, it is bound to break out. The price of $131 acted as a support numerous times, a couple of times in September, one time in October, and earlier this month in January. So the price may hit the top resistance and then drop down to the support before its final leg to the upside and further breaking through the resistance. So there are really two scenarios. The first scenario is that I think that the price will just shoot up past the resistance line. Or the second scenario is just going to bounce off the resistance line and then bounce off the support line again before its leg up. Another thing I want to point out is the MACD. It looks like that we are seeing a divergence of the MACD, which is a strong bullish indicator, and means that there may be a trend reversal. So once we confirm an uptrend, then I'm confident that we will start an impulse waves that will break the $200 and then ultimately break past the $300. Prior to this downtrend, we have gone through 5 impulse waves, and now we are seeing a small correction before the next cycle. Let me show you exactly using the Elliot wave indicators on the more longer time frame using the weekly chart. So the Elliot Impulse Wave has 5 waves. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, which is usually the largest one, Wave 4, and then Wave 5. After the 5th wave, there's usually 3 correction waves, wave A, B, and C. After the 3rd correction, we should see an impulse wave which could possibly bring us to an all-time high. Once we see the first impulse wave, we will have a better understanding on where Solana will be headed by the end of this year. But we can use the first set of impulse waves to get a feel of where Solana will be. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart and copy the fractals. Now, this is just assuming the past is a good indicator of the future. So if this were to happen, we can possibly see $320 by April. So let me know what you think of Solana and what your price prediction is. Let me know if there are any questions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you all later.